Unknown caller, why do you bother? I ain't never gonna answer you. Unknown caller, why do you bother? I ain't never gonna answer you. If I had $1 for every unknown caller, I'd buy myself a home so I could live alone and not be bothered by this unknown caller. Hello, it's your drug dealer. I thought I'd call in case you needed anything at all. You know, you can always call me just to talk, but I mostly want to sell you drugs. Drug dealer, drug dealer. Don't pick it up, it's your ex-boyfriend.
Hey, it's me, yeah. I just thought I'd call, see what you're up to.
Morning danger.
What are you doing lately? Yeah, that's cool.
This will only end in tears.
So, are you seeing anybody right now? Cause, oh no? Oh, yeah. Yeah, me neither, that's weird.
Don't answer.
So, maybe we could...
It's your mother calling you. You were totally gonna call her, but you forgot. Now she's calling you. It's the guy that you met last night.
Sorry, but no one's available to answer your call at this time. If you'd like to leave a message, please wait for the beep, then press pound, press 3, then dial your name, then press 6 and dial your number, then press star, press 69, ask for extension 4443, then leave your name and message. If you want to leave your number and the time you called, please press star twice, bark like a dog, spin in a circle, press 1 26 times, and wait for the beep. And thanks for calling.
Why won't you answer me? Hello? This is your cell phone! What do you think, you're just not gonna answer me? You keep me in your pocket like I'm some dirty little... Why won't you answer me? I'm not gonna ring forever, pal! And when I'm done ringing, that's it! You can say goodbye!
Your mama's calling back for no real reason but just to chat. She'll waste your minutes talking about the cat, or about how your dad has gotten fat. Why I picked up? Don't pick up the phone, it's just your mom. Don't pick